Hey, DSI community. Hello. Manal, Sam, Pat, and I coming your way this afternoon. And Manal was actually just saving me. She was helping me with a Facebook challenge I have been struggling with for, I cannot tell you how long, but thank you, Manal, for coming in and helping me figure out how to merge two pages. You're amazing. And when we were chatting, Manal mentioned she has an event coming up, and I wanted to be sure that all of you know about this event because it is really super exciting. So, Manal, what you and I were just chatting about is how we go to these meetings, we learn, like I've been to your social media workshop, but like it's hard for us to implement everything, right? So we get back to our offices and it's super busy, and you have a solution for us that is really the bomb. Will you tell us about that?
Yes, so that is very true. One of the things that I always, when I'm speaking most of the times and I'm giving all this information, we all get super excited. We're like, yes, we're totally going to do this. And then life happens. It happens to all of us. So what I did was I kind of wanted to switch that all around. So I came up with a hands-on workshop. So instead of us just sharing, it's actually, I call it tell, show, create. So I'm actually going to tell you what to do, then show you how to do it, and then you're going to create it right then and there. So it's a very heavy implementation, hands-on training workshop. So let's say we create a calendar for your content, and we're like, hey, you're going to post 3 photos and a video. Well, we are going to write down and say, these are the 3 photos you're going to post. This is the video, the reel you're going to make. And guess what? You're going to get up right now and make that reel right now at this moment. And I'm going to show you how and help you how to do it. So yeah, it's super awesome because it's, well, 1, it solves that problem. And then 2, it's in the Virgin Islands.
Virgin Islands, what? That is so cool. Check it out, you guys. Don't you want to be there right now? You definitely want to be there on what day, Manal?
So it's on August 4th and 5th. And it's going to be in St. Thomas in the United States Virgin Islands, which is right there. That's St. Thomas, guys.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a Caribbean, it's tropical, and I'm super excited about it.
Oh, I just think that is just the funnest thing. What a great way to get away, to be able to go soak in a little bit of beach life while you're also working on your business. It'd be a business expense. That's what I'm thinking too. I'm assuming it's something we could bring our, significant other, our family, our friends. Who is this intended for, actually?
So anybody in the industry is who this is intended for. So we have dental practices and teams coming. We have coaches coming, consultants, speakers coming. These are attendees, by the way. We even have companies who have signed up. We have teams from different companies who have signed up. So it's open to anybody in our industry because it's all very heavy on marketing systems and strategies. So it's not specific to this is, very dental heavy, or we're going to talk about treatment or practice management. No, it's all marketing. It's open to everybody. And that's the fun part because you're going to be in a room with lots of different minds.
Yes. Yeah, I love that. And it sounds like you have a great group coming. I know that some of our DSI colleagues are planning to attend as well. And I just think it is amazing. I'm gonna have to plan to do this next time. Now, right now, we're in a situation, of course, in the last couple of years where COVID has been making it challenging for travel and that sort of thing. How does that affect potentially your meeting?
So luckily, St. Thomas, like I said, it's United States. This is my home island. This is where I grew up. So because it's the US, you are on US soil. So you don't require passports to travel there. There are direct flights, like from the East Coast, you could be in St. Thomas in 2.5 hours, 3 hours.
Oh,
it's not far at all. From the West Coast, again, it's a little bit longer because you're going to the end of the Caribbean there, but I live on Washington State and I go to St. Thomas every 3 months. It's absolutely easy to get there. The second thing is they have, as of June 12th, so that was 4 days ago, St. Thomas has removed all COVID travel restrictions.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, so if you are if you're traveling into St. Thomas, you don't have to provide a negative test. You have to provide status vaccination, proof of vaccination, anything like that at all. You just sit in the plane and come there like going to any other place in the United States.
Well, that makes it easy. So it's about 6, maybe 7 weeks out from today.
It's exactly 7 weeks out from today.
So now's the time, right? Now's the time to make a decision, get your flights, get your hotel. What else can we do while we're there? Are there other activities or like, what do you do besides, I mean, obviously the beach?
Well, that's the thing. So the way the workshop is designed is it's morning, both the mornings. Workshop is there, and then on Thursday afternoon we're actually having a party on Magens Bay. So Magens Bay is one of the top 10 beaches in the world, and I'm not just saying that because I'm biased and I grew up there, but this is literally voted by the National Geographic. It's one of the top 10 beaches in the world is Magens Bay, and we are going to have a beach party there. So there's food and drinks, and everybody's going to hang out, and everybody's bringing their family, colleagues, friends. Like we have people bringing 13 team members. We have people bringing their families, celebrating anniversaries, celebrating birthdays. So the beach party alone is going to be about 100 people at this point, and it keeps getting bigger, which is amazing. No, so yeah, St. Thomas is an island, as you can see, and we are surrounded by other islands. So everything from scuba diving to parasailing to snorkeling to underwater aquariums to private charter yacht boats. I mean, whatever you can imagine you could do on an island, you could do there. But St. Thomas is also a food area. So we have like insanely amazing restaurants. And the best part about it is, yeah, you can eat whatever cuisine you want. Like you could have vegetarian, vegan, seafood. I mean, they will catch lobsters right in front of you and feed you if you want that. You can go fishing. The best part is it's so much snorkeling there that you can walk into any beach and you can see fish. Like it's all coral reef. And then right across from St. Thomas is an island called St. John, also owned by the United States. It's a US island. And 3/4 of that island is an underwater national park.
Oh my gosh.
So if you're into snorkeling and stuff, you know how we do trails when we go hiking? Yes. Well, you actually do a snorkeling tour, and underwater they have spots and they tell you what fish you're going to see, what coral this is. It's I mean, clearly I love this stuff.
Yeah, so it sounds like an experience. And what I'm hearing you say is you need to come for more than August 4th to 5th. There's a lot to take in. I mean, what a great time to get, before we head back into our busy travel and lecture time of year later in August into September. What a great time to do this, August 4th and 5th. So is there anything that would be important around the workshop and the implementation itself that we would need to know before we wrap up with, where do we find out more information? If you could just, like, what else would we need to know? And then how do we find out how to be there?
Yeah, no, you don't really have to know anything. We actually have a private Facebook group with all the attendees and everybody coming in. So inside that Facebook group, we already have been sharing information with private yacht charters. How do you get photographers? What do you do? How do you do it? Here are the restaurants. Here's where you get your car rental. So it's a very happening, lots of conversations with a lot of amazing people who are coming. So one of the things I like about stuff like this, especially also with DSI, is it's networking. At the end of the day, when you go to an event or something like that, you want to network. So we have so many brilliant minds coming and so many people coming from different phases that no matter what, you are going to learn something, because we also have many masterminds happening during that time. So yeah, but you could go to ceonthebeach.com. That's C as in cat, E as in elephant, ceonthebeach.com. And because I'm also a DSI member and faculty, anybody who wants to come from DSI, you can go to registration there and you can use the code DSI 150 and you get $150 off registration.
DSI 150. Awesome. Thank you so much for that. I'll be sure to put that in the comments below. And if someone has questions, how's the best way to reach you?
Just shoot an email or DM me. If I'm Facebook friends with you, just shoot me a DM or shoot an email to info@manalsampat.com and my team will get right on there. I mean, my team has helped find accommodations for people. We have had people who book condos on the beach for $200 a night. Like, it's crazy what people are able to find and do. So whatever you need, we are here for you. And the last thing I will say is, so my original goal for this retreat was 30 and we booked that really quick. So I added 10 more seats. Well, we booked 40 and then I added 10 additional seats. So now we are at 47 people. I do not want more than 50 to 52 people because it's a hands-on workshop. So there is things happening which I need to pay attention to.
That's quick.
It's quick. So there are about 5 seats open. So if you're planning to come, the time to register is now, because I will be putting, because I can only add so many seats.
Yes. Especially on hands-on. I totally understand that. Yeah. You guys, there's urgency. If this sounds really wonderful to you, which it does to me. Oh, who knew? I mean, it just sounds like such a fabulous place to visit. And then to be able to go and to be able to learn skills where you can earn CE, but also be able to learn skills to be able to help you implement your marketing and be able to grow your business when you get back this fall. I just don't see how you can go wrong here. So Manal, thank you so much for sharing. We're going to need to see photos and video. I'm sure we'll be seeing reels, right? That'll be coming from this. It's going to be so fabulous for those of us who aren't able to take those last couple of seats. We'll enjoy watching that, and I wish you a fabulous workshop. Thank you so much for sharing with us, and thank you for the generous offer of the DSI 150 to be able to save $150 on registration. Go to ceonthebeach.com, Manal at manalsampat.com, and of course Manal is this social media expert. I didn't even really introduce you because I just assume everybody knows Manal, right? Manal's everywhere on social media.
Hopefully that means I'm doing my job.
That's the idea, right? Well, thank you so much, Manal. I really appreciate you. And thanks again for helping me out with my Facebook problem today. You're just amazing. We really appreciate you. And thanks for all you do for all of our members. For those of you in our group, this is going to be posted different places, but down below, give us a woot woot or an I love you to Manal, because she's just amazing. And I know you've helped so many of our colleagues. So until next time, everybody be well, and God bless, and have a wonderful summer, and stay safe out there. See you later.